Oh, hi, folks. How are you today? Hey, this is Chris Rude. You kind of jumped out at me here. But today, we're going to be making fried rice. My fried rice, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I got here. This is a common dish that everybody does on the Blackstone, but I'm going to throw my little 2 cents in on this. All right, folks, so let's get on with it. I'm just mixing up some eggs right here, and that's going to be fried later. And hold on. So what I got here is day-old rice, and it's pretty dried out. And you want it a little bit clumpy, and then you're gonna sprinkle it in there and loosen up all the grains of rice, and that's your perfect start for fried rice. What I have here is I have my mixture of veggies, carrots, peas, and cut up mushrooms. So I'm going to use those. I'm also going to use some cut up chicken that I fried up yesterday, and let's throw those in also. Now I'm gonna use safflower oil to start it up, and I'm also going to make I'm going to get some Hoisin sauce, and put in a little bit of my sake, mix it in with the Hoisin, and then use soy sauce also. So what I need to do is get a little bit of the Hoisin. You don't need very much. That's real thick stuff. Okay, that's about a tablespoon and a half or so. And I'm going to mix up so you got a little bit of sake. This is kind of that's what mirin is. When you mix soy sauce with sake, you get mirin. Well, this is similar. I'm going to use some separate soy sauce, though. Let me get my fork here. And I'm going to mix it. Yeah, I'm going to mix the sake with the Hoisin and get that going a little bit. I think it needs a little more. This all burns out. There's no alcohol in this. It just burns off. And I'll put a little more sake in there. So I got my fried rice mixture right there. And I'm going to also, well, I'm just going to pour in the soy sauce afterwards. I don't want to mix the two together. So here we go. We have all our ingredients ready. It's out to the Blackstone Griddle. We're going to have some fun today. Okay, folks, here we go. I'm going to start off with a little bit of egg mixture. Not very much oil. We don't want too much. Let's just put that down. Get our eggs. Get the top on that oil. All right, here we go. I put some little bit of salt in there just to get it going. That's all we need for this. We don't need very much. And we don't need to do it very long. There we are. Let's put that down and scrape this off a little bit. Let's knock that in there. I'm gonna okay. So let's get a little bit more oil down on this side here, and not very much again. You already have some oil on there, so let's just mix it up there. Now, take our vegetables. And dump them on there. With those little runaway peas, you don't need very much of this cooking this either. This is very fast meal. Turn that side off so I can put it over here. It's already hot. All right. Let's take our rice and I'm going to dump it all on there. Let's take our two. Got a little on my window there. That's so funny. So we put our Hoisin sauce, or Hoisin, and a little bit of soy sauce. There. Ooh, that aroma. That really smells good. Wow, look at that. Getting pretty nice. Got mushrooms, peas, carrot. All right, I'm gonna put our eggs in there. And what a nice meal. Chicken. Let's move that out of the way. Look at this fried rice. Wow. You see how that loosened up all those rice kernels? Very nice. Got real loose. One thing about this is that it goes everywhere. Well, we don't care, do we? Yeah, that's why we have the big old griddle, so we can have it all go everywhere. Go everywhere. Wonderful job. I'm getting rid of that carrot. It's bothering me. Look at that. Well, folks, you know what? This is done. This is pretty much done. I'm going to take it out. Since the chicken and the eggs are cooked like that, and that's going to be it. All right. Look at that. Fried rice. Wow. Let's take it in and see how it looks and tastes. Okay, folks, look at this. How amazing is this fried rice? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Eggs, chicken, carrots, peas, mushrooms in a Hoisin sauce. Hoisin or a Hoisin. It's very good. And the soy sauce, of course. But I think that Hoisin or the Hoisin does a really good job of making it authentic Chinese. So here we are. We're going to, I'm just going to take a little bit, put it in my bowl. Make sure I get some chicken in there and some eggs. That's good enough. And let's try it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Very tasty. My goodness. It has a little touch of kind of like a molasses taste, but not really. The carrots are fresh and the peas. I tell you, the chicken goes well. Just having that hint of chicken, not very much, but enough. Mushrooms. Those are baby bell mushrooms. My goodness, this is tasty. It's a meal in itself. Oh my goodness gracious. Now, I don't know if anybody else does it this way. It's my own recipe. So I think it turns out pretty good. Nice. After putting the steamed rice in the refrigerator overnight, it gets all crumbly, and you can just crumble it onto the plate, and that's what I did, and then toss it on the griddle. But pretty darn good, and I was kind of surprised that it went so fast. It was a very quick meal, you know. So I think I'd call that a success. And if you think differently, let me know in the comments. And what would you do that was different? And so I will see you next time. And we'll see you at the Blackstone Griddle. And thanks for watching, folks. Bye-bye.